raccoon. Hi, raccoon. Raccoon. Little raccoon. It's gonna jump, I think. I see him. Daddy. I see him. I see him. Take a picture.
Like the wild kingdom here.
Yeah, animals in a raft. And like the snowman. Daddy, he's coming so close. Can you see it? Uh-oh. Daddy, look it.
Oh, that's a brazen raccoon.
Uh-oh, I think he's gonna dig a...
Maybe the hawk will take off with him too.
Maybe they're fighting. I don't... Look it.
No, he's just ignoring him.
How he can go through? Mom's gonna be so surprised. Yeah. In the window.
No, he's done.
Where's he gonna go now?
No, he's out of there.
Now in our neighbors. Daddy, now in our neighbors.
Yeah, now he's gone.
I just see him. With this bird still here. I didn't see this one so close before. I can't see.
It's like he's eating a bird popsicle.
Yeah.
Well, there's his leg that he's trying to chew off. Oh, now the squirrel wants to be dessert.
Yay! The squirrel's dessert. Because the squirrel is always... Mom's gonna be
What
sad.
next? What other animal will appear, I wonder?
Maybe a baby raccoon.
That'll be cool.
Or maybe one of those baby birdies.